What's up, crypto fam? How are you? Thanks for watching, guys. Girls, people of all sorts. Your dog sitting next to you watching, thank him too. So nobody likes when the price is down, right? Nobody likes it. Let me tell you something right now. Go to 99bitcoins.com, because that's one of the only places you're going to find an entire historical graph of Bitcoin, BTC Core. You're not going to find it on Yahoo Finance. You're not going to find it on Gemini. You're not going to find it on any of these other trading platforms because they're censoring this data. I have screenshots on my computer, and I don't want you to think this is some kind of conspiracy theory. I have screenshots from 2012 on Yahoo Finance from BTC Core on my computer. Those no longer exist. I think it's 2015 or 16. The graph now exists. So there's a huge censoring of BTC Core and crypto in general because they don't want you guys to go back and discover where these prices have been and where these prices have reached and the volatility of this beast. They don't want you to know this information. They want to withhold this information. Okay? So go back and look at 99bitcoins.com. Historical graph of Bitcoin. It'll give you every single fact on every single price movement of Bitcoin since 2009. Okay? It's a great place to check out stuff for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin Cash right now is down. But does it really matter to anybody watching this channel? Do we really care if Bitcoin Cash goes to $100 or if it goes to 1,000 or 10,000 or 20,000? Do we really care at this point? We've been in it so long with Bitcoin Cash, and we've been falling against BTC Core for 4 fucking years, guys. I mean, wow, where's the time gone? I mean, I have to sit here and think wow, 4 years, we've been really doing a really shitty job against Bitcoin, guys. We've been going down. We're going down. BSV came into play. We went down more, and then we went up a little bit. We thought we were going to go up, and then we just kept going down. And hell, a week or two ago, we hit an all-time low against Bitcoin. I don't know what it was, 0.009 of a Bitcoin. So to an average investor or an average person that's looking into crypto, they look at Bitcoin Cash and they go, hell no. They go, I don't want to be part of this shit. This is a clone of Bitcoin, just like Litecoin, just like all these other coins, all this other crap. I'm not investing in Bitcoin Cash. Those same investors don't know a goddamn thing about Bitcoin Cash. They couldn't tell you the difference of Bitcoin Cash, BSV. They don't know anything about block sizes. They don't know anything about peer-to-peer electronic cash. They don't care about all that shit because you know why? They're only here for the short term. Of course, we'll grab, we'll get some people to stick around. They'll discover, once they lose a bunch of money, they'll discover the great altcoins that have made crypto what it is today. We'll get all those people, off the runoff. But from an investor standpoint, somebody who is thinking about investing in crypto, they look at Bitcoin Cash and they're just scared. You know what? Let them be scared. Let them miss out on the greatest opportunity of a lifetime, which is Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash price today, Bitcoin Cash over the last year and the last 4 years, it's going to look like a fucking line. It's going to look at a line. Go back and look at Doge compared to BTC. It's going to look like a line. There is going to be it's going to be irrelevant to the big picture of where Bitcoin Cash is going. It doesn't matter. The people that have been holding Bitcoin Cash as long as I have, we don't give a fuck if it goes to $100. We don't care if it goes to $87 or $78 again. We don't care if it goes to $10,000 or $20,000. We don't care because Bitcoin Cash is a mindset. I don't take Bitcoin Cash and go spend it at the grocery store, because I know that $100 I spent at the grocery store within a couple years is going to be 10,000 or 1,000 or whatever the hell the price is going to be. It's a mindset, guys. It's a freedom from all these governments and all these people and clown uniforms making all these rules for everybody and telling everybody what to do and telling how much prices are going to be and inflation's going to be. It's just a pile of crap. It is a pile of crap, and the jig's up. We're not buying it anymore, guys. We're not buying it anymore. We're buying Bitcoin Cash, but we're not buying this this structured government mind control bullshit. Okay? It's bullshit, guys. They want you to stay poor. They don't want you to be rich, financially free. They want to control every dollar. That's what they do. They've been doing it since the Egyptian times. They've been doing it for thousands of fucking years, guys. They want you to live in the trenches. They want you to struggle. They want you to be poor. That's it. It's that simple. They want you to be poor so they can be rich. Strip that power from them, guys. Buy Bitcoin Cash and support the projects that aims to destroy this corrupt system. And I'm not saying I don't want government. I'm not sitting here playing the anarchist card and, I don't want to, I'm not Jeff Berwick. Let's just say that. I'm not the dollar vigilante. Okay? We need rules. We need regulation. We need to be able to go outside and, have law and order. I'm for all that stuff. But what we don't need is a private organization like the Fed printing money and putting debt on top of people. We don't need that. That's not what we need. We don't need a pandemic to cause them to print money. Do you think we're going to look back on this pandemic and we're going to say, oh, it was the pandemic that was so bad? Or do you think we're going to look back on the last 20 fucking years or 30 years that they fucked us, and we're going to say those were a bad 20, 30 years? Cryptocurrency is the greatest invention since the internet. If you look at these prices and you examine the prices right now, you're going to be appalled to where they're going to be in the next couple years. You're going to look back and you're going to go, holy fuck. That stupid fuck on the internet was talking about Bitcoin Cash when it was at $442. And now it's at 100 grand. Jihan Wu said it. Roger Ver said it. It's going to go up thousands and hundreds of thousands of percents from here. Zoom out, guys. Go look at 99bitcoins.com, historical graph of Bitcoin. Do you think it really mattered for people who bought Bitcoin at $1 or $100 or $1,000? Do you think it matters to them now and when they accumulated their bag? No, it doesn't. It's the most simple thing to figure out. Bitcoin Cash is going up. It's not going down. It's going up. It's swinging up and down right now, but it's going up. It will continue to go up. You know why? Because we're constantly improving the network. We're constantly pushing for peer-to-peer electronic cash. We're constantly improving the underlying infrastructure that holds the Bitcoin Cash network together. Smart BCH, we do all these things. All these things, smart contracts, wallets, censoring. You heard what I said, censoring. That's BTC Core. Smart contracts are on BCH. I just had one of those, moments where you kind of just black out in your head when you're talking about something. That made no sense at all, guys. BTC Core doesn't have smart contracts. BTC Core is censored. BTC Core is slow. BTC Core has high fees. BTC Core has the longest chain, but it's only because it's been around the longest. BTC Core has the most hash rate. BTC Core has the most wallet holders. BTC Core has the best narrative. Bitcoin Cash is uncensorable. Bitcoin Cash has lower fees. Bitcoin Cash can be transacted and send it for pennies and fractions of a penny all around the world to anybody who wants to use Bitcoin Cash. It's got more merchants, blah, 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 blah. Right? We've heard all these things. They're all You know, they're not unique to any crypto anymore. Smart contracts are not unique to Ethereum anymore. In fact, Ethereum moving into proof of stake is probably not a good thing. My point, guys, on I guess today's video, and I'll wrap it up because this is just a video of me rambling, but it does need to be expressed, and it does need to be said that Bitcoin Cash is one of the greatest investments of all time. It's going to change the world. It's going to be bigger than the internet. It's going to be bigger than Wall Street. It's going to be bigger than the Forex market. So when you look at that Forex market and you see a $4 trillion volume every 24-hour period, that's coming to crypto. And it's going to come to crypto really fast. And it's going to happen so fast that if you sit back and you wait and you try to determine whether you should buy Bitcoin Cash at $1,500 or $150, you're not doing this right. I'm buying all the way up. I'm buying all the way down. I'm gonna buy more Bitcoin Cash this week. You know why? Because the dollar is dead. It's gonna die. You're gonna go to the store. You're gonna spend fucking $20 on a case of eggs. Inflation's coming. It's here. It's been happening in the mortgage market, in the housing market for the last 2 years. It's going to happen, come to the goods and services market. So buy this stuff as quick as you can. Look back at it in a few years and send me $1 and say that dollar was 10 cents. Thank you. I'll give you my wallet address. I don't want anybody's money right now. I don't care. This isn't about fucking money anymore. This is about freedom. Don't let the government control you. Don't let them control your debt ratio. Don't let them control your life. Be financially free. Buy Bitcoin Cash. Hold Bitcoin Cash. Spend Bitcoin Cash when you need, but spend it very sparingly. Okay? That's all I got today. Have a great day. Make it a great day.